Hey guys, how's it going? How to add social links on Hostinger. So first of all, you need to, of course, log into your Hostinger, right? And basically expand the add elements section on the left and drag the social icons to element to the desired place on your web page. Social media links, to social media profiles or of individuals or organizations associated with the website. This will allow visitors to connect, follow, and interact with these individuals or organizations on social media. Okay, and basically you can go ahead and after you add the social icons, you can click the three dots on the socials, and then you're gonna be able to see multiple options and click on edit social icons, right? Option. You're gonna be able to see it, and basically to open more settings, make sure that to add links to your own social media profiles and channels, otherwise your audience may get lost. And then add the icons to the header, right? And you're gonna see right here, let me zoom in. You can click edit header, and then you can go to the header settings and then go to the social icons and make sure that you toggle this one on so people can click on it. And basically you can add the links, right? After you scroll a little bit down, and then add the links for every single website, and you can edit it if you have another links, or delete it as needed. So if you want to add the email icon, you can insert your email address, right, and add that new email address. And if the link isn't recognized, the icon won't be automatically generated, and you will see a standard link symbol. So let's me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.